Want to know how to create an agent that is used for fitness workouts, which could be tracking your diet, your physical activities, and your goals? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can create an agent that is related to fitness. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website. Just simply head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now once you're here, on the left side you should be seeing templates right here. Below pages, you can just simply select that, and now your templates should open up and it should look something like this. Now there are various templates available for you, so you can just simply scroll down and see the templates that you want and search for it. Now since you want fitness agent, just simply select fitness GPT. It should be right here, and then just simply select that. Now once you've selected it, it should just simply give you a simple and small prompt, as you can see right here, and you can just simply select enter and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.